Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to add video inside text. So at first add this video and copy this video, press on Alt button and drag to mouse, then copy it. Go to effect, go to title and then showing it to basic title. Just drag on to add here, adjust and disable video track, select text title and write text or write anything, select font, increase or decrease size, change color. Okay, now adjust it and select video clip again, enable video track, select and change the mode. Okay, now check it, now successfully set up. So that's it, that's how we can do it.